Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an exciting video for you guys because I got some goodies from One Stop Apothecary Shop and I have seen Tiffany share hers and they reached out to me asking if I wanted to try it out and see what it's all about. And I was like, of course I do. Like, I want to organize my tape. Like, they have like this tape dispenser and stuff and just a couple of other goodies. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. I have another one, actually, another item on its way, which is one of their new items, which I'm excited for as well. So I'll do another video for that. But yes, let's get started because I need to organize my tape, okay? I have tape all over the place and it needs to get organized. So I'm going to share with you guys what we're working with here. Not to mention that I had to get their items in pink because if you have seen my craft room tour kind of video, you know that my room is pink. But let me just show you in case you haven't seen it, even though my room is a hot mess right now. So you're just going to see the mess too. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a million and one things all over the place right now, but pink chair, pink die cutting machine, pink, what is this called? Pink pegboard. There we go. I have another pinkish chair here. My organizers are this like pinky mauvey color as well. Anyway, so we could just see that I love pink and I'm not trying to make my whole entire room pink, but I love accents of pink. And so this is why these new organizers are pink. So you can get these in a variety of different colors. She also has a teal, a purple, white, black, and then pink. I think those are all the colors, but I'm not entirely sure. You'd have to check out her page, which I'm going to have a link down below that you guys can use, a link that you guys can use to shop and see all the goodies that they have. Everything they have is 3D printed. I mean, she does also have other things in her shop. It's not all 3D printed stuff, but I think she has like some paper collections and stuff that she might be, I don't know if it's her own that she's getting rid of or just maybe she's like a retail wholesaler. I don't know. But anyway, so they're all 3D printed and these have removable dowels here. These are like the tape dispensers. All three of these are tape dispensers. So yeah, let's organize. Here's what I forgot to show you. I just have random tape here that I need to get to organizing, and this has fallen behind there a couple of times, so we got to organize these. My tape over here on my pegboard is pretty organized, but I'm not always crafting in this space, so it would be nice to have them also organized here because these are super lightweight. I could just move this from area to area in my craft room, and I craft a lot on my crafty island as well. It's currently a hot mess, but I do craft a lot over here, and I would like to move my organizers with me here. Okay, so I know this one in particular is for like the really big tape. If you make a lot of albums, you probably have some of the wider rolls of tape. Maybe you have like the 4-inch roll, which it looks like the 4-inch one would fit on here. You could also do 6-inch rolls. They do sell 6-inch rolls like from scrapbook.com. But what I like to use a lot, which is what I'm going to do on this 6-inch one, is these are like my most 2 used ones when I'm making albums. I'm just like thinking about the chipboard. For the chipboard, it's these two, 4 inches and 2 inches to kind of cover up all the chipboard because I don't want any bubbles. So I try to really get it all covered up with my tape. So this is a great way to do that. And you know what? Now I could clear off that space where I had these and put this up there instead. And it's gonna look a lot neater. So I could just move this up here and there we go. Nothing is gonna be falling all over the place anymore. Actually, I don't even know what's in here. I gotta go through this. I don't even know if I used these organized. This gives me a nice pop of pink here, but let me take it back down for my video here. If I'm gonna put this back onto like that acrylic organizer, I feel like I might want like a stand so then I could put my other tape on top of that as well, just so I could like double kind of layer it. Maybe that's something they could do in the future, is do like a add-on somehow, I don't know, to make it like so you could have like a double kind of thing. But anyway, that is that one. So this is my 4-inch tape and my 2-inch, or you could just do a 6-inch tape of roll of tape. Not tape of roll of tape. Here you could do your specific sizes. So let me take out this dowel. And so I have, this is like a 3/8 inch tape, which will actually fit into either one of these sections here. I have 1/8 inch tape, which would go here. I have a 1/4 inch tape. Obviously it's not going to go like that. It needs to go onto the dowel, but I'm just trying to like fit this here right now. And then I'm guessing this one would be like your 1/2 inch tape. Now I do not have a 1/2 inch thing of tape. Apparently that's just not a size that I use. So let me put these on here. And this is great because when you are putting like tape down onto your project, it's all here. And you could have these started. I don't even know if I have these the right way. Well, that one's the right way. And you could have them here, and now it's always like ready to go for me to pull, so I don't have to keep turning my tape to figure out where it starts. It's just kind of like ready to go. This also, you also get this piece, which is like the adapter. I'm not sure if you get this separately or not, but it's like the little adapter, because otherwise it looks like this. And then this kind of slides in here, and you can have that tape hanging off here, so I know where it starts. I have seen Tiffany actually, she put like a piece from like foil or something here so that it cuts it. So you could do that as well. You could also put washi tape in here if you use like a lot of washi tape. That's another option, but I'm gonna keep my tape here because I'm always looking through on where this tape starts. And that will save me some time. Like, you gotta work more efficiently, you know, smarter, not harder. And so this will be a more efficient use for me, so that way I'm not always turning my tape trying to figure out where it starts. Now I do have a 3/4 inch size tape, but that doesn't fit in here. Okay, so that one can go on here. So now instead of having that one be my 4-inch tape, oh, maybe I could do, oh, maybe I should just do like another batch. So these ones already have like this little adapter kind of built into to this piece as well. Whereas this one, it comes off. This one is already built in. And I'm wondering if I could fit, oh, I could fit my phone in there just to kind of hang out, because that's always getting lost under, you know, my scissors, under my dies, under paper. I'm always using like the find my phone kind of feature on my watch, trying to find my phone. So that would be a great spot for my phone actually, while I'm just sitting here crafting. So that's a good one for that. Now this doesn't just have to be for double-sided tape. You can use a foam tape. I have this gigantic roll of foam tape. I'm not even sure if this will fit in here. Oh my gosh, that fits. just barely, but that fits. That's good. But you know, as I use it up, it'll fit even better. I have also seen people that have their, you know, when people get like their foam tape rolls, the only roll I have is this one, which is like one of their Dollar Tree rolls, which nothing really like stays on there very well. But I know there's like those colored foamies that people sell. I don't have any of those, but that's an option. And then mine's just gonna unravel because that's just the way that this is. But you could totally like have this hanging out here, just so you know where that starts all the time. You can also use this with foam, well, not foam, like little glue dots. Like I have little glue dots on here. This one would be another good roll for that. I mean, you could use any rolls. I have all of these other rolls here that are just completely random that I should probably use up, because yeah, I don't even know why I have all these different sizes, but I do. And you know, you could use this organizer where it's all separated, or you could use something like this. It doesn't really matter, but it's just personal preference. Like this one, obviously, as you're using this, your tape roll is going to move around just a little bit. You just see me unraveling there. It's moving around. So if that bothers you, then definitely get the one that has the separated sections. But it's just like a great little organizer for your craft room, you guys. Everyone wants a more organized craft room, and I'm happy to have this organizer here. You can also use these for a washi tape. Let me just take these out so I could share with you. So I have some different kind of washi tapes here, a few different sizes. So this one actually fits in the end one here. So there's that one. Then my second biggest one is this one. Then we've got this one, and I don't know if this one will, oh, that one's not a good washi tape roll, but you get the idea. That one has paper in between each layer, so we're not going to do that one. Okay, so you could use this for washi tape if you use a lot of washi tape, or maybe just so happens that at this moment you need to be using a lot of washi tape, like maybe you're making, I don't know, invitations for something and you need to use washi tape. I don't know. And I totally put this on backwards, this one in particular. You want your tape to go kind of over, not under, right? For it to go like this. But that way, your tape roll is always going to be started. Maybe you're just really into planners and you use like a lot of washi tape in your planners as well. Like you have different ways of using this. Like this is an example of how it would look with some washi tape. It could be your most used washi tape. Maybe you do some Happy Mail and you include some washi tape there as well. So you could use this for washi tape also. I'm going around my craft room seeing what else I could use these for. So I found a couple more things. I found this little like thank you sticker that I like to add to like my packages and stuff. I can have this on here, and then I would probably do something like this where like a little piece is started just to kind of like hold it at the end so that it's ready to go for the next one. Now, if you do also have like an Etsy shop or any kind of shop where you do like print labels and things like that, you can have this as your label holder. So this is my like thermal printer label holder that fits perfectly on this one right here, which is the 4-inch one, I want to say, whereas this one is the 6-inch. So the 4-inch one, this one would fit perfectly for that, and it could feed into your label printer that way. So then you would have your label printer in front of this. So let me just share with you. Let me just take off that piece because that's a mess. But anyway, you would have this and you'd have it in front of you. You don't even need this extension piece for that then, but you would have the label printer here. The label would feed into the printer and then would just keep on rolling to kind of keep printing labels. So that is a really great way to use it as well. I'm just going to share with you because I already have a label printer, but if you do not have one, this one is a great option. So like I said, I already have one, so I don't need the other one, but it just, if you don't have one, this label feeds into your printer, so then it just keeps printing out labels one after another, just like that with the label roll. Okay, one more, because now I'm going crazy, but you can also, if you use like a lot of tulle or maybe like those like lacy kind of ribbons that are longer, you can use this. So you can use this organizer for that as well. Let me just share with you. So like when I'm making my tulle paper clips, rather than holding up this in the air, like holding it up in the air, this one's a little bit too big, but essentially I would be able to just roll this out. And so I can hold it with one hand, like from rolling it out, holding it with one hand. So now it's like taut, and it's easier for me to go across and cut a piece off for when I'm making my tulle paper clips. So that's another thing that you could do with these. Like I said, this one's a little bit too big for this one, so it doesn't really want to roll because it's like very tight in there. But if you have something like that, that you do need to cut, because otherwise when I'm cutting this in the air like this, it doesn't always work out so well. Like it's not taut, and I have to go a few times, and then obviously it's not as straight either. I mean, it's hard for you guys to tell, but you get the idea. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys and kind of organize my tape here. So I'm going to put these two back on here. Let me make sure I'm putting them on the right way. This one goes this way because I use these often in my albums. So I like that I could have both of those there. This one we're still figuring out a plan for. And then this one, I'm going to get these back on here. make sure I'm getting them on the right way. So this way. Oh, actually that one, like I said, that one fits in this section here. And then I could have my phone in the other section so it doesn't get lost under a pile of dies or paper or whatever else it is that I am using. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys that I got from One Stop Apothecary Shop so far. Like I said, I have another item, one of their new items that is on their way. And so I'm going to share with you guys that once I get that in as well and how I'm going to be using it. But this is how I'm going to be using mine for now, with the exception of this one because I already have that size on here. So I don't need it 2 times. So I'm going to figure that out and see what I want to put here. But I am excited to organize my craft room like this because number one, these look really pretty. They match my craft room. They add a little pop of pink. That's not like overbearing pink or anything like that. It's just like a little pink in my craft room just to add to it. And I think it looks really, really pretty. And I'm happy that I'll be able to carry this with me from like station to station to then put like onto my craft table, like my island. I like to craft there a lot. Sometimes I craft here when I'm, you know, filming YouTube videos and things like that. Or sometimes I craft by my computer. So I have 3 different places that I craft in. So I'm so excited that I have this now where I'll be able to just kind of pick up and take with me wherever I go. And you know what? This is also lightweight enough if you wanted to travel with it. You totally could as like your little tape dispenser to like a crop event or something like that. Maybe you're taking like a class somewhere and you need to bring your own tape with you. Like this is one of those things that you can take with you and everybody's just gonna comment on how cute and functional it is. Okay, I just want to share this is my new spot for it instead of that tape that I had there just randomly laying there because these are going to be my most used. So I could just take this and take it with me to my crafting area, or the same thing with this one. Super duper lightweight, very easy to use, and it's nice and organized, ready to go. And like I said, I'm going to have a link to One Stop Apothecary Shop linked below in the description box, so definitely check them out. Where you guys can get some of these goodies and start organizing your craft space too. I know a lot of us could benefit from one of these where you can take it with you from room to room, whether you're crafting in your craft room. If you have a craft room space, I know a lot of people craft on their kitchen tables, on their dining room tables. So this is just a way to also kind of keep it organized so your tape doesn't get lost under your dies, your paper, and all that stuff as well. So it's just a one place to kind of keep it. You could take with you wherever you go. And I think it's just really cute and functional. So I'm happy to share. Let me know if there's any other ways you could think of to be able to use these new items that I got to organize. Like what would you organize on these other than double-sided tape? Like, are you going to be putting on your washi tape, or is there anything else that you could think of and you want to share in the comment section down below? Like, let us know. So anyway, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you to Jennifer and Jared, which are the owners of One Stop Apothecary. They're like a small business, so thank you again so much for sending me these. I'm so excited to have these organized. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.